Hi friends, welcome to my channel. The Honor 500 Pro arrives, looking like a flagship powerhouse right out of the box. With a sleek premium design, often compared to the Apple iPhone Air, especially the noticeable, the distinct horizontal camera bar. It has premium metal frame, matte glass back, and an all-round elegant feel. It features an IP68 IP69 rating. We are looking at Snapdragon 8 Elite chip paired up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Display will be AMOLED, feature 2.5K resolution and a blazing 120Hz refresh rate. The standout feature is the 200 megapixel main camera sensor, promoting incredibly detailed photos. Battery will be massive and that will be 8000 mAh. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.